I promised you guys a garden update, so I'm going to start over here. These actually I got at a greenhouse, and it's romaine lettuce, so this was added to what you've last seen. Over here I have our parsley. This one here's a cucumber. There's another cucumber and another one. And then here's another one. That one's not doing as well as the other ones. I have a green bean here. And here's another green bean, and we started getting slugs on it. And that's when I put this mulch down. It's natural cedar, and it's supposed to detract, keep bugs away. And it seems to be working. I haven't had an issue since. But if we get really close here, I think I'm starting to get a bean started. Okay, and then I have a tomato here. There's another one there. Another one there. One there. One there. And one there. And then over here is the mint plant, and it's starting to get really bushy. But if we don't have anything really started except for that one that I seen, that's the bean over there. But if it doesn't work out this year, we can always try again next year. We really haven't gotten anything besides that bean so far. But hopefully soon we will, and if we do, I'll just give you another update.